You won't believe how this simple trick can unclog your drain in just a few minutes. Plumbers never share this secret. Clogged drains are a common issue. Food scraps, grease, and buildup collect inside the pipes. But there's an easy fix. First, scoop all the water out of the sink into a bowl or a bucket. Remove the strainer and sprinkle in a few tablespoons of table salt. Salt works as a natural cleaner. It breaks down residue and disinfects. Boil some water in a kettle and pour it straight into the drain opening. This helps the salt reach the tough spots inside the pipes. Let it sit for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare a homemade mixture. In a small bowl, add half a tablespoon of Vaseline. Vaseline creates a protective layer so grease and grime won't stick easily to the pipe walls. Next, pour in about 3½ ounces of any dish soap. Dish soap dissolves grease and lifts dirt. Mix well until the Vaseline melts completely. Use this mixture to clean the entire sink and faucet. It will polish, remove stains, and protect against water spots. Then pour the rest down the drain. The combination of these ingredients prevents grease and food scraps from clinging to the inside of your pipes. Let it sit for a few minutes, then flush with water. With this simple method, your sink will stay unclogged, odors will disappear, and your pipes will have a protective coating. Place aluminum foil in the sink to solve an annoying kitchen problem. I have 2 simple methods for you that protect your pipes and make cleaning easier. First, tear off a large piece of foil and carefully cover the drain. Use the bottom of a glass to form a depression in the foil, then secure the edges with tape to keep it in place. Now you can safely pour used oil into this depression, preventing clogged drains and pipe damage. After use, remove the foil, roll it up, and throw it in the trash. The second method is just as easy. Tear off a piece of foil that fits the size of the drain and tape it to the sides of the sink. Use a glass to create a slight depression and poke a few holes with a toothpick. Now you can pour food scraps and drinks worry-free. The foil will catch larger pieces and protect the pipes from clogging. This is the perfect solution if you don't have a sink strainer and want to avoid costly plumbing repairs. Put straws into the drain. Trust me, this crazy idea is genius. For this trick, you'll need plastic straws. You probably have some at home. You'll also need scissors. With the scissors, you'll create an extraordinary straw. So, take a straw and make several cuts in it. Watch how I do it. Don't cut the straw in half. Just make diagonal slits. Make a few more slits like this. 2 slits close together will do. If you cut out the small section between them, it will form a sharp notch. Cut a few notches on one side of the straw, then do the same on the other side. Each cut should have a sharp tip. It's best to use smaller scissors. They make it easier to cut those small elements. Once prepared, insert the straws into the drain. Push it in as deep as possible. Just move it around for a moment. Many people have problems with water drainage in the sink. It often clogs due to hair falling in. This trick will solve that problem for good. All the hair in the drain will get caught in the straw. Just throw them away and you're done. The drain will be as good as new. Put a plastic bag in the sink. It might solve one of the most annoying household problems. A plumber once shared this simple trick with me. First, remove the sink strainer. That's where a lot of gunk builds up. Pour in a generous amount of dish soap to break down the grease. Then cover everything with a good amount of baking soda. Don't hold back. Baking soda has powerful cleaning and deodorizing properties. Next, slowly pour vinegar over the whole thing. And that's when the magic begins. Thick foam starts to fill the drain. Now press the plastic bag into the drain and place something heavy on top, like a bottle of water. Soon you'll see foam pushing through a small hole in the bag. That's a good sign. Give the baking soda and vinegar time to dissolve the grime thoroughly. After a while, rinse the sink well with warm water. You'll notice the difference within seconds. The drain will not only be unclogged, but also smell fresh. No more spending money on harsh pipe cleaners. All you need is a plastic bag from your drawer and a few items from your kitchen shelf. This is better than 100 plumbers. The drain will never clog or smell. I'll show you how to make a product that destroys the unpleasant bacteria causing bad odors. You'll forget about clogged drains. It only takes 2 minutes to prepare this solution. It also prevents blockages and reduces mineral buildup in the drain. Take a container and add 5 tablespoons of dishwashing detergent. A thick one works best. Now, take a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Lemon has amazing cleaning properties. It's a natural agent that breaks down grease and dirt. Pour a few tablespoons of the juice into the container with the detergent. Also, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is a great disinfectant on its own. Mix everything well. You'll notice that the ingredients have formed a thick cleaning solution. Now let's combine it with basil tea. Boil fresh basil leaves in water. The tea helps eliminate the heavy odors that come from clogged pipes. Pour the mixture into the drain overnight. Be sure to rinse with very hot water the next day. Repeat this a few times a month to avoid unpleasant smells and clogged drains. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to save your sink. This simple home trick works quickly and effectively. It removes bad odors, dissolves buildup, and kills bacteria. Over time, grease and food scraps collect in the drain, causing unpleasant smells and clogs. That's why you should prepare a mixture that fixes it in just minutes. Take a tall container. The first ingredient is lemon juice. You'll need about half a cup. Lemon refreshes, removes limescale, and has antibacterial properties. The second ingredient is about half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease, breaks down dirt, and reaches tricky spots. The last ingredient is 2 tablespoons of salt. Salt disinfects, acts as a natural cleaner, and helps clear the drain. Mix everything into a thick paste. Remove the strainer and get the drain ready. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of baking soda. It immediately starts working, neutralizing residue and odors. Then pour in 1 tablespoon of your prepared mixture. Put the strainer back and pour hot water over it. After a short while, open it again and watch how smoothly the water flows. In just moments, your drain works like new. The bad smell is gone, the sink is clean, and the water flows freely. A simple trick that makes a big difference. This is better than 100 plumbers. The drain will never clog or smell. I'll show you how to make a product that destroys the unpleasant bacteria causing bad odors. You'll forget about clogged drains. It only takes 2 minutes to prepare this solution. It also prevents blockages and reduces mineral buildup in the drain. Take a container and add 5 tablespoons of dishwashing detergent. A thick one works best. Now, take a lemon and squeeze out the juice. Lemon has amazing cleaning properties. It's a natural agent that breaks down grease and dirt. Pour a few tablespoons of the juice into the container with the detergent. Also, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Salt is a great disinfectant on its own. Mix everything well. You'll notice that the ingredients have formed a thick cleaning solution. Now let's combine it with basil tea. Boil fresh basil leaves in water. The tea helps eliminate the heavy odors that come from clogged pipes. Pour the mixture into the drain overnight. Be sure to rinse with very hot water the next day. Repeat this a few times a month to avoid unpleasant smells and clogged drains.